Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh Kirti and the actor's fans have all shared multiple posts hailing the arrest of Rhea Chakravarti and declaring that her arrest was a victory of truth. Sushant's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande also shared a post where she commented about karma and how an individual creates his or her own fate. Sushant's fans, who have been regularly sharing posts and updates demanding justice for the actor, took to social media to share their joy at Rhea being arrested for procuring banned substances consumed by Sushant and for consuming these substances at his behest. While there have been revelations made about the late actor consuming banned substances and that Dipesh Samuel and later Shovik were all procuring these substances for Sushant and Rhea, who arranged the payments for these purchases, it seems that Sushant's fans are still considering Rhea's arrest a victory, given she was named as the main accused in Sushant's father's FIR. Sushant's sister shared a post on social media with a screenshot of a news channel reporting Rhea's arrest and wrote, "God is with us." There were many such reactions on social media, with one user writing, "It is a moment of great satisfaction not only for me but for the entire country that Rhea Chakravarti has been arrested by NCB. It reminds me of a Hindi Bollywood song, Sachai chup nahi sakti banawat ki usulon se. In fact, it is a victory of truth over falsehood." Sushant's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande, who posted a comment on Shweta's post which said, "Thee," and had multiple heart emoticons, also shared a post on her own social media page where she wrote, "Nothing happens by chance, by fate. You create your own fate by your actions. That's karma." She captioned the post as "Justice." However, while many fans celebrated Rhea's arrest, a section of Bollywood celebrities have also spoken up against her vilification and arrest and the supposed media trial which has declared her guilty even before the investigation is completed. Responding to the trending hashtag Justice for Rhea, Sushant's sister Shweta shared another post on social media where she wrote, "We can use our grey cells and figure out easily why there are so many supporters rising all of a sudden once the drug angle has come out. Be rest assured, we are not fools. Just waiting for the whole truth to come out and then we will see where are these supporters. Hashtag World United for SSR Justice." One can only hope that no one is unfairly treated in the quest for justice, or worse, still presumed to be guilty without sufficient evidence. यही उम्मीद है कि पूरी सच्चाई सामने आएगी और सभी को इंसाफ मिलेगा।